Yes, Lord, before we get into today's review with the Air Rifle Cowboy 347, I want to let you guys know that we're nothing without being powered behind our brand, Bricks Farms Coffee. This is real coffee for real people who's building real life, strong coffee for real days. You guys go to bricksfarmscoffee.com, create a profile, and we will send you a brick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Air Rifle Cowboy 347. Before we get ready to go out and do live target shooting and dry fire, we are going to do a review for the air rifle of choice, which is the Barra 1866 Cowboy Edition. Now, this was a model that was supposed to replicate a pioneer by the name of Walter Hunt in 1848, where he wanted to create a violation repeating rifle with complex mechanics. Wanted to have something that can shoot the quote unquote rocket ball. Now, in regards to the success of this model that was meant to satisfy the cowboy culture throughout the years, through the 1840s and 1860s, they recreated the model to, pay homage to Walter Hunt's creativity. Let's go through the make and model of the 1866 Cowboy Edition Barra. Here it is. 1866 Cowboy Edition Barra. Now, this is created with a dovetail rail, okay, where you can put a scope on, right? And, for navigated target, okay. Now, also, there is a pellet loading groove, which is right here, okay. And there is a sweet matte metal, and load BBs. Takes 50 at a time for BBs, and just to make the pellets. Okay. Now, this is a .177 cal. Okay. The velocity is 800 FPS. All right. I love the matte multi-pump lever action right here. And the barrel length is 20 inches. Iron sight, optic rail, and then obviously when you're able to put the adjustable on the dovetail. Now, this is a multi-pump single action, okay? Multi-pump single action. So multi-pump single action. All right. What happens is we load the pellet, okay? Load, multi-pump, safety off, target pull, safety off, pellet groove open, safety protocol. Now, we're not going to do dry fire. We don't want to break it. This is a very collectible piece. But the Barra, this is the Barra 1866 Cowboy Edition, the multi-pump nomadic BB air rifle. It's a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun. Okay. So like I said, takes BBs, 50. Takes .7, it's a .117 cal. That's 45 meters. All right. That's 45 meters. Okay. And with the velocity with the BBs, 800 FPS, the steel BBs, that is. Okay. That is the review of the Cowboy Edition 1866 Barra Pump Nomadic Steel BBs and pellets air rifle. I hope that you guys enjoy this review. Let's go have some fun on the field.